In this video, we're comparing Zenbusiness versus Tailor brands. Links to the best deals are in the description. Let's get started. Ease of use and setup. Zenbusiness is built for speed and focuses on the legal steps. You answer simple questions, and their automated system handles the state filings. Their dashboard is clean and keeps your important business documents organized in one place. Tailor Brands mixes business filing with creative tools through an all-in-one questionnaire. It guides you through forming your LLC while also asking questions to determine your brand's personality and look. You can set up your company and create an AI-generated logo at the same time. Verdicts: Zenbusiness is better for pure legal setup. Tailor Brands is better if you want a head start on your brand look. Business documents and branding. Zenbusiness provides the essential legal papers you need to run a business. This includes templates for an operating agreement for LLCs and business bylaws for corporations. They also offer a library of over 25 business documents, such as contracts and service agreements. They do offer a basic logo builder, but it is not their main focus. Tailor Brands is a branding powerhouse that centers its service on your company's identity. They use AI to build logos, social media posts, and digital business cards. It even offers a website builder that matches your new brand colors. Verdict: Zenbusiness wins for legal templates. Tailor Brands wins for creative branding tools. Compliance and growth tools. Zenbusiness stands out with its worry-free compliance service. They handle your annual report filings and allow up to 2 amendments per year to keep your business in good standing. They also offer a $5,000 grant program for select customers, though it is currently paused for new applications. Tailor Brands offers a 12-week business coaching program. This includes a personalized roadmap and 100 days of online training to help you launch your company. They also provide a virtual office address service, which keeps your personal home address off public records. Verdict: Zenbusiness is better for long-term legal safety. Tailor Brands is better for brand guidance and privacy. Pricing. Zenbusiness offers 3 main plans. The starter plan is $0 plus state fees. The Pro plan is $199 per year, and the Premium plan is $349 for the first year, renewing at $399 annually. Paid plans include fast 1-day processing. Tailor Brands starts with a $0 light plan plus state fees. Their Essential plan costs $199, while the Elite plan is $249 plus state fees. Both companies charge an additional $199 per year for registered agents. Verdict: Zenbusiness offers better long-term value. Tailor Brands is affordable for one-time branding. Support and reliability. Zenbusiness offers customer support 7 days a week. They're available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Central Time on weekdays and from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. on weekends. They also offer a 60-day money-back guarantee to give you peace of mind. Tailor Brands has more limited support hours, operating from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Mountain Time on weekdays. Their refund policy is very strict, and fees are generally non-refundable. Verdict: Zenbusiness wins for support and reliability. So, if you want a reliable partner to handle your legal paperwork and keep you safe from fines, choose Zenbusiness. It is the best choice for most business owners because of its support and clear pricing. If you are a creative founder who needs a logo and a website immediately, Tailor Brands is a good one-stop shop. For most people, I recommend Zenbusiness. Alright, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to use my link in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.